Welcome CSC Academy Goshego. Just by looking at your thumbnails, I know what this video is going to be about. So, without any further delay, let's start this video. First of all, I open the Mozilla Firefox. You will have to come to this page. I will keep the link in the description of the video. After that, enter your registered email address and username. Login here. After that, you will click on login and get status. Click from status and click here application number and search here. Sorry, I have copied it by mistakenly and I am now correct application number giving it. Friends, after that I will show you how many dates I have applied for and how many dates have been approved. Let's look carefully at this page and application number giving it and check status. Look at this page and you think how many days applied for application and approved for 15 November. So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. I will meet you very soon with the next video.